Hey friends, if Microsoft Print to PDF is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, there is no reason for Microsoft Print to PDF to be missing, other than that where a third-party software product has removed it or some of the system files are corrupt. So we will address both the cases. First of all, make sure that Microsoft Print to PDF is enabled. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Now we have this option here, Microsoft Print to PDF, and we need to check this box. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay. The next one and the last one is a clean boot. So why are we performing a clean boot? Because see, the main cause behind the issue is that there would be a third party program which is causing all of this conflict. So a clean boot will isolate that possibility. All you need to do is search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.